this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily journal in Notion. We'll start by opening Notion and going to the sidebar on the left. Click Add a Page to create a brand new workspace for your journal. Once the page opens, give it a clear title by typing Daily Journal. If you want to make it feel a little more personal and motivating, you can also add a custom icon or a cover image. This step is optional, but it helps your journal feel more inviting, which can make it easier to come back to every day. On the blank page, type /database to bring up Notion's database options. From there, choose either table view or calendar view. Depending on how you want to look at your entries, a table is great if you want a clean sortable list, while a calendar gives you a more visual timeline of your journaling habit. When prompted for the data source, click New Database. Now it's time to set up the properties that will organize your journal. Keep the default name or title property as the main title for each entry. This is perfect for using the date as the title so each journal page is instantly recognizable. Next, add a date property so you can sort and track entries over time. After that, add a mood property using either select or multi-select. You can create emoji-based tags like happy, focused, or tired to quickly capture how you are feeling. Then add an energy property as a select field and use simple options like low, medium, and high. These properties make your journal much easier to review later and can help you notice patterns over time. Once your database is ready, click the small arrow next to the blue New button in the top right. Then select New Template. Name this template Today, and choose the setting that uses the current date when duplicated so Notion automatically fills in the actual calendar date as the page title. Inside the template's page body, write your daily structure or reflection questions. This could be where you place your prompts, notes section, or anything you want to answer each day. When you are done, click the back arrow in the top left to exit and save the template. Then open the drop-down next to New again. Click the three dots beside your new template and choose Set as Default for all views. This ensures every new journal entry uses the same layout automatically. To automate the process even more, open the drop-down menu next to the blue New button again. Find your template. Click the three dots beside it and select Repeat. Set the frequency to every day, then choose the exact time you want the page to be generated, such as 6:00 a.m. That way your journal entry will be ready for you each morning without any manual setup. Thanks for watching.